We've got something super exciting that we're going to be putting on the car, and it is a Momo steering wheel. So to start off, it's a Prototipo Suede black 350mm Momo steering wheel. And yeah, I mean, look at that. Isn't that just an absolute masterpiece? And we've got the white stitching over here. And it's just super plain, super simple. And it just feels so good in the hand. And it's just absolute perfection. I've always wanted a Momo steering wheel, so this is a real big deal for me. And I really like it when, you know, as a daily, you want it to feel nice in your hands and you want it to shift good. And those little things is what actually brings the whole experience together. So you can see we've pretty much done the outside of the car besides the carbon hood. Now we're going to start working on the inside. So yeah, let's get to it and get the steering wheel on. Guys, as you can see, we installed the Momo steering wheel, and I must admit this is like the first time I'm seeing it, but I'm super stoked. It looks amazing, it looks classic, and I think it's a big improvement on this interior, and it just feels so good in the hand. Like, wow, I'm just so stoked. So yeah, this one has been ticked off the list.
No mercy, no mercy.
You can see that this here, where the fuck is this thing? This one here, can you see there? That there is called the bitch clip. And my fuck, it's a bitch. But it's done. I managed to do it. Hectic. Okay guys, this is called the bitch clip. And I've probably spent about 2 hours trying to get this thing off. Yeah, you just need to work it and get it at the right angle, and you can see there's a little clip over there. So you almost need to push this side out and over, and then it kind of works. Sure, that was hectic, huh? But yeah, let's carry on with getting this all the stuff off, and let's get the shifter on. Okay guys, let's first remove the carpet. And I see there's an existing hole here, which is definitely be useful. So we're just gonna, oh, there's another two. Oh sweet, so I think the shifter is just gonna fit straight up. Beautiful. Something I also want to add is that you don't need someone to hold it from the top because it's slotted.
Another important thing to remember about this drug is that you could have a flashback. That's a reoccurrence or repeat the entire experience.
Okay guys, so the shifter's in. What a mission with that bitch clip. And just all of it is actually pretty tricky, but yeah, here it is, and it's shifting like a dream. And then here's reverse.
Memento.
So yeah, pretty cool. This over here doesn't fit now because of this massive shifter mechanism, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a Dremel and we're going to cut the insides of this thing out so it can just go over this little section. Then we'll have our full face cover in. And then for this little section we may need to just close it up with something else. Maybe we can get the boot on. Would have to tear it and get it stitched or something, but the shifter is in and it feels really good. Yeah, I just want to also thank Dom for organizing this for me and brought it down. So also once again, shout Dom, I really appreciate it. But yeah, besides that needing to be fitted in here and maybe us closing this somehow, pretty much done. So yeah, E46 has a short shifter. Okay guys, the shifter is in and G's giving it a little test. And I think we both agree that it is freaking awesome, and maybe a little bit of fine tuning, but pretty cool, AG. Pretty sick. Okay, shifter done.